Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today for coffee time, I'm going to be showing you guys a copycat recipe for the cinnamon almond milk cold foam from Starbucks. What you're going to need is a frother or blender of choice, cold brew or iced coffee of choice, almond milk, or any milk of choice really, vanilla extract or paste, and cinnamon powder. First, you're going to add your milk to your frother or whatever you're using. Then you're going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla, then you're going to add in cinnamon to taste. I like mine extra cinnamony. Froth it up. And then go ahead and get your cold brew in your glass. And then you're going to top it with your foam and a dash of cinnamon on top. Mind you, almond milk does not froth up very well. That's why it does not sit very well on top. But that's it. If you guys like this recipe, give the video a thumbs up and we'll see you next time.